Hello, and welcome again to Theme Code. I am Tawfiq here, and I will demonstrate how you can show Contact Form 7 forms as a pop-up. First of all, you need to get the TNC BookShelf Popup Pro plugin from the Theme Code marketplace. This plugin can show any WordPress item as a pop-up. After getting this amazing pop-up plugin, log in to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins, and then Add New. Upload the plugin that you just downloaded from your WordPress website. After that, click Install. When the installation is done, simply activate the plugin. You can see a new menu item named TNC BookShelf Popup Pro. Now go to the contact forms that are created by Contact Form 7. Here, I have created one just as an example. Now all you need to do is just to copy the shortcode. After copying, it's time to create the pop-up. Go to TNC BookShelf Popup and then click on Add New Shelf Item. Give it a title. You can put anything you want here. After that, select shortcode as the content to display. Then paste the shortcode here that you copied in the previous step. This plugin allows you to show as a bookshelf, list, or grid also apart from pop-up. But as we are creating only pop-up, I will not show you those in this video. You can check out the link in the description for bookshelf or list grid videos. So, after pasting the shortcode, click Publish and you're done. Now let's show this pop-up on a page. I have created a demo page just to give an example. You can use any existing page or new page here. Here I am using the default editor, but if you want, you can use any builder you prefer. Here you need to search for TNC BookShelf Popup Pro block. Now click TNC BookShelf Popup Pro and then select Pop-up as the display type. There are 3 other display modes: bookshelf, list, and grid. Now search for the shelf item with the name. As I have named the shelf item Contact Form, I am searching with that and then just select that item. There are 2 types of trigger options, text and image. I am selecting text for now. Now put the text that you want to show. Here I am using Contact Us. You can give it a CSS class so that you can style it in the future just as you want. Then click the TNC BookShelf Popup Pro button. After that, update the page and let's see the result now. Here you can see that when I click the Contact Us, a form is popping up, which I created using the Contact Form 7 plugin. You can style this form according to your needs. I am just showing you an example here. You can pop up literally any WordPress item if you use the TNC BookShelf Popup Pro plugin. Check out the live preview page and you can see a number of examples there too. You will get all the necessary links in the description. Get this plugin and show your WordPress items as a pop-up, bookshelf, list, or grid. For more information, visit www.themecode.com.